This is a fit for a 2015 through 2017 and beyond Chevrolet Colorado with a 6-foot bed. We've outfitted the vehicle with the TracRac TracOne aluminum heavy-duty truck bed rack. This rack is constructed using high-grade 6000 series aluminum tubing and aluminum cast fittings. The bars are 65 inches in length with a track that runs across the top the full length. Composite tie downs are included. This rack sits above this Colorado cab by approximately 8 inches. It sits above the bed rail 26 inches. Crossbar spacing is 55 inches from front to rear. That is variable along the length of the open bed rail. It is clamped into the open bed rail. There is no drilling required. It's using 2 clamps per upright that presses against the underside of the bed rail for a secure yet removable fit. This rack can support up to 800 pounds evenly distributed. This product and the full line of TracRac products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.